we're gonna we got the right water pump in this time, so we're gonna go ahead and get that swapped out and get the new one put in there, and we'll take you along for the ride here. So we'll get it set up and then turn it back on. Wanted to show you these as well. They're coil covers picked up. They got the, you can see there, they got the snake skin imprint in them. Pretty cool looking. Pretty neat. And then the other side over here, same deal, but it says 4.6 V8 dual reg Canter 2-valve Terminator. Pretty good looking deal there. But it's just coming together. Just waiting on a few little more odds and ends, and then we got to get our turbo parts. And once we get the manifolds and stuff, we can bolt them on and set the engine back in the car. Start piecing her back together. But it's pretty much where we're at. In the last video, we got the clutch on there. Got that all installed. Put the new valve covers, the correct valve covers on. Powder coat came out pretty good. Got the right alternator and everything. We're waiting on the correct belt tensioner. That's different from the 2-valve to the 4-valve. On this particular model year front cover, we had a tensioner off of 04 2-valve, and this is a little later model. This is like a mid 2000, like 2000, 2001, something like that. It takes a different type of tensioner, but so that's something you have to keep an eye on. You might run into depending on what year some of the parts are, because the block itself is out of a mid-90s Lincoln Mark 8. It's a tech skid block, aluminum block, like a 95, 96. The heads are off a 05 Lincoln Aviator. The intake's off of a 04, 03, 04 Mustang Mach 1. The valve covers are off of a 98 Lincoln Mark 8. Then the front cover's off of a Cobra Mustang, like a between 2000 2002, I can't remember the exact year, but so we kind of got a hodgepodge of years, but we got the best deal that we could get on them and the best parts for what we needed, so and everything. So that's what we got going on there. So get that turbo kit when we can, and get the header slapped on it, manifolds on it, and get it set in the car. We'll probably do like a time lapse or something on that while we install it. But so yeah, so stay tuned, and we'll pump out some more videos. Thought I'd show you real quick. This is a transmission that we'll be using. It's a T3650 that came in the last years of the New Edge Mustangs, like the later 02 up to 04. Came with these instead of the T5 like the older ones got, but it shifted pretty good when we had it in the, in the car for the few days that we owned it before we tore it all out. But it still has the factory 10 spline input shaft, which if it's going to give up, that's probably where it'll give up first, but that's not a super big deal. But it's got a nice shifter on it, and see if I can zoom in on it. Nice theta shifter, triac shifter. So like I said, it shifted pretty good, so I'm not too worried about it. Fluid looked good when we drained it, so we're gonna ride with that till it gives up. But that's that right now. That's where she's going to be going. We got a mess right now, but we'll get her cleaned up. Get everything going good though. If anybody that needs any 96 to 98 Cobra valve covers, let me know. I got a set of them, powder coated blue. But they only work on the 96 to 98 Cobra Mustangs, the 464 valve. Unless you were swapping over a later model one to use the coil packs and the coil wires, which I don't know why you would, but if you are, they'd work for that too. But yeah, we're making a little headway, so we'll keep your eye out for some more videos, and I'll try to get out of here, and as we get parts in, get a couple more videos put up. Alright.